We've been talking about how writing is just telling on paper, okay? You guys have been working on your stories. Well, one thing we do each time we write is we work for a certain amount of time. Does anybody know how long we've been writing for?
5.
5 minutes, that's right. So every day this week, we have written for 5 minutes. So you see this guy up here? This is my little chart. So we started on Monday, and we wrote for 5 minutes. So this is a graph. Yeah, you can see my hand. And there's our 5 minutes on Monday, okay?
That's our 5 minutes.
There's our 5 minutes on Tuesday.
I could say Tuesday.
Wednesday we didn't write because we had chapel. Yesterday we wrote for 5 minutes again. Okay? But we're going to get to be better writers, stronger writers. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to work on something called stamina. Can you guys say stamina?
Stamina.
And that means that we're just going to build up so we can do it longer. It's just like exercise. When you first start exercising, if you've never exercised, you can't work out very long. But each time you work out, you can work out longer. Okay? With writing, it's the same way. We're going to build your stamina. So today, we're going to write for 6 minutes instead of 5. Okay? So I'll set the timer for just a little bit longer time, and we're going to work on our stamina. Okay? And then as we go throughout the year, we're going to keep building up. Okay? And eventually, we'll probably build up to about 15 minutes. Okay?
Oh my God.
I know. It'll be a lot, won't it?
Whoa, oh my
Okay.
gosh.
And
It'll be a lot.